Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, July 23rd, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the daily candlesticks, and this is of course the daily time frame chart. Let's get rid of the volume for now, and let's just focus on what's happened since we analyzed this market last time. As you can see, we got this very nice bullish movement to the upside. It looks like this bullish movement to the upside from the lows of 53,780 might be considered impulsive. And let me just show you guys on this example here. If we take the Elliott impulse wave tool, and from the lows of 50,780, we can distinguish wave 1, wave 2. Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside, so it's a wave 3. Now we should see some kind of a development in the wave 4, and then wave 5 should be in progress, targeting at least the swing highs located at 71,820. So this is the technical target for the wave 5. It's not a Fibonacci projection, it's a technical target. Now that's the technical target for the wave 5. Where is then the target for the wave 4 correction, which is taking place right now? It looks like the previous wave 4 of the lesser degree might be the target, and that's the level around 63,634, roughly around 64,000 tethers, and this should be considered as the target for the wave 4. Then we should see some kind of a rebound, and the movement to the upside should be continued. So the overall 5-wave impulsive structure should be completed. Now let me just apply awesome oscillator to the chart, and this time the awesome oscillator was applied because, let me just make some kind of a changes here, because we want to see whether this is the very nice situation with the momentum. Is this the very nice situation for the wave 3 to unfold? Is the momentum backing it up? It looks like it is, and we are now as you can see established this movement to the upside as the wave 3, big movement in the momentum here. If we add our favorite one, RSI indicator, you can see that we are pretty close to the level of 70. Now we just go back a little bit lower towards the level of 60, because the wave 4 is under the in the progress, under the development. So we have to see for the wave 4 to complete it. Of course, the corrective structure wave 4 might be a little bit longer and time consuming than in the wave 2. Wave 2 was simple, kind of a zigzag pattern. So the wave 4 might be a triangle, it might be a complex pattern, it might be as well simple pattern. So we need to just to wait and see what this situation here will be, what the cycle in wave 4 will be, and then of course the wave 5 to the upside should be developed. And this is our scenario, this is our plan for the Bitcoin, the bullish plan. This scenario, this wave progression gets invalidated only if the top of the wave 1 located at let's see, this is the top of the wave 1, 58,347, is invalidated. So it's basically broken. Otherwise the outlook remains bullish. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.